Hello, Kaiser and Alexa Ray. What are you doing? Hi, say good morning, Kaiser. Good morning. Let me see you nga. You stand up nga. Stand up, anak. Come on, up on your toes. Come on, Kaiser. I want you to stand up. I want to see how you look like. Let's show Daddy how you look like. Whoops, let me see. Whoa, you look like a golfer or an equestrian. Oh no, just golfing around, goofing around. Kuya?
No, this is for my golfing stone.
Okay. So, what are we going to do today? Kaiser, do you have any idea what are we going to do today?
Golf at the right field with stones so they can walk on the water of the right field.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Get super big stones.
So, are you ready, Kaiser? Kaiser, ready for golfing? Kaiser, look at mommy. Kaiser, look at mommy. Kaiser. Kaiser, look at mommy. You don't want to look at mommy? Okay. So, we're ready now. Kuya, are we ready?